Mechanical engineering is not just engines. You can study, for example, marine technology, and well, even there you can focus on some specific topic. We have a lot of different fields that you can focus on.
The best thing about the program that I chose is that it combines mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and software into one comprehensive package.
Our program offers study options varying from, for example, solid mechanics to product development to mechatronics and production engineering. Our program also offers internationally unique study options such as the Arctic marine technology. Novel applications in our field include, for example, AI-based methods in product development, novel techniques for additive manufacturing, or development of totally new engineering materials.
Right, next. Aalto is the #1 engineering university here in Finland with a lot of innovation, and when I applied I listed only Aalto. When my mom asked me why I did not list another university in my application, I was like, if Aalto did not take me this year, I'm gonna apply next year. I'm not doing my master's anywhere else.
In my opinion, Aalto offers the best possibilities and innovation services in Finland.
We can see the theory in practice. Of course, not in all the things, but for example, we have model scale testings where you can compare the theoretical part to the practical part.
I like the fact that we had a lot of courses that had industrial cases in them directly related to real-world challenges. This will actually prepare us for real professional work at Finnish companies.
Our program prepares the students for numerous career paths in the industry. These may include consulting, design, management, or product development. Our program also prepares the students for doctoral studies either in Aalto University or at some other top-level international university.
What I like about the teaching is the fact that I'm not just one head at a 300 people lecture hall. The professors have genuine interest in the topic and they really want to improve the courses based on the feedback from the students.
Studying here at the Aalto, I have met a lot of very intelligent, interesting and passionate people working on interesting projects and fields. The thing that surprised me most about Aalto was that it has quite easily accessible research infrastructure.
We have academic freedom, so you can adjust your studies based on your life. Sometimes you have more time focused on studies and sometimes you might have changes in your life and you want to focus on them.
Honestly, leaving Aalto after graduation will definitely be difficult. Even when I move on, the Aalto community will always be in my heart.